pull these tires off and get some new ones. They're pretty much shot right now. We've got 900 hours on these tires. That's the original ones. We ordered the exact same tire because these lasted so long, and the traction on them are excellent, and the ride quality. They don't hold any kind of mud in the grips like these other tires that's on the X mark over here. They were actually $800 for the two from Ferris, but we found them on Amazon for $400, which is still very expensive, probably double the price of most tires, but I wanted the exact same ones. So those of you who want to know which tire this is the 26 12 by 12. It's a Turf Smart, and it's made by Carlisle, and that's what the pattern looks like right there. And like I said, I got 900 hours on these particular tires.
A few moments later.